Okay, I apologize. I was having trouble. I couldn't start the second page of notes. So this is the second page of notes. We're only going to do one example here. When you do these problems to find volume, lateral area, and surface area, you need to pay attention to what the shape is, what the base shape is. And all of these are named by their base shape. So you have a triangular prism. You have a hexagonal. Sorry, this writing is really sloppy. This is a pentagon. And this is a cylinder, which we know is a circular prism, right? So the base is a circle here, the base here is a pentagon, the base here is an octagon, and the base here is a triangle. So when you're doing these, you have to go back to the formulas we did earlier on in the year. Okay? So area of a base. The base is a triangle, so it's 1/2 base times height, which in this case is 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 is 12 times 1/2. We're going to get 6 meters squared. The perimeter. What do we have to go back to when we do perimeter? Let's zoom in on this. So we have 3 and 4, right? We need to find this side, but we have a right triangle. So we have a 3, 4. Does anyone know what happens if I do this? 3 squared plus 4 squared equals, so 9 plus 16 equals 25, right? So that is 5. So our perimeter is 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 5 is 12 meters. Volume. Our volume is base times height. I can't see. All right, so base. That big B stands for area of the base, right? So that is 6. And the height is 10. Gives me 60 meters. I have meters squared times meters. What's that give me? Meters cubed. My lateral area. Lateral area. We go back up to the formula. Lateral area is the perimeter times the height. So my perimeter we found was 12. Perimeter times height. So we have 12 times height is still 10. So that's 120 meters squared. Very good. All right, now the last one, surface area. That's my lateral area. Lateral area plus 2 times my base. Because I have 2 triangles and my height. All of those sides are my lateral area. You should have seen I just picked up my hand and showed you what it looked like with my hand, but you can't see that. So my lateral area, what did we get? Lateral area was 120 plus 2 times my base. My base, why can't I find it, is 6. So I have 120 plus 2 times 6, which is 12. 120 plus 12 gives me 132 meters squared. All right. The rest of these you guys can do on your own as practice. The more you practice, the easier it will be. I will post all the answers to these. You don't have to do them, just it's good practice. I'll post the answers to these 3 tomorrow morning. Okay? And there will be more practice for you to do then also. Remember, if you have any questions, we will be on live chat at 1:30 today, Monday, April 27th. So we will see you at 1:30 if you have any questions. Have a great day.